Hello, I'm Rich Dean with West Coast Collector Cars in Oregon, and today I've got a beautiful 1952 Dodge half-ton truck to show you. Been completely restored, and it's probably been 8 or 10 years ago. So it's it's all clean and everything underneath. Just dialed in. This paint is a base coat clear coat. It's actually a Mopar color, which is Crystal Red Inferno metallic. And I want to start there, show you the paint. I'll show you the attributes of the truck, and I'll just take it for a short spin so you can kind of see it move, under its own power. Got a couple moments here finally in Oregon, dry, so I want to take advantage of that so I can show you the truck. Anyway, beautiful paint, base coat clear coat, as you can see. It's got a really nice depth to it. Take you in this half of the engine. Since we're here, this is a 318 rebuilt, nice little engine. Edelbrock intake manifold, Edelbrock carburetor, Pertronix distributor, jet coated headers, nicely equipped. You got your fan here, your pulley fan, plus it does have a pusher fan as well, or I should say a puller fan on the other side. So you've got both fans if you need it. Probably won't need it, but never know. The workmanship is excellent. Look how clean that is, and your firewall and whatnot. Very nice. The welting here, did a really fine job on it. Up under the hood looks good here. That's your overflow. The wheels and tires, these are 18-inch American Racing 5-spoke. They're chrome, 18-inch Yokohama 235, 45, 18s up here, or 225, excuse me, and 245s out back. So you got a little staggered going on there. All the glass is nice, power windows. Look at the gaps, very nice here. Excuse the wind. Probably hearing some wind there. In the interior here. All your weather stripping, nice and clean, pliable. Looks good. Door panels are nice. Got this nice gray tweed, gray vinyl with the red beading going around. Original bench seat, of course, completely restored, reupholstered. It's a 5-window cab, obviously, which is nice. We all like that. Headliner matches. And nice gauges there. I'll show you that when we get a little closer. Originally, that would have been a speaker, but now it's part of the stereo equipment, so that'll light up when the stereo is on. A little heater down there. This is a A904 Torque Flight 3-speed automatic transmission. Shifted on the floor there, as you can see. That's a low-car shifter. Split windshield, chrome surround on the windshield. By the way, all metal. Doors close nice. Running boards, they're metal as well. Fenders are metal. Shouldn't have to say that, but a lot of times when fenders and whatnot are replaced, they go ahead and they change them out with fiberglass, but these are metal. Paint's nice up here. Hope Olga's tall enough to show you that. But I want to show you this too. Both sides have this. Is interesting. This is a Zerk fitting, and that's original to the truck. Nice welting around your fenders. You got a little deeper wheel here. Again, you got a 245, 45, 18 there. Bed is nice and clean. All stainless fasteners throughout. Oak bed. It's been nicely shellacked, if you will, or varathaned. Stainless strips and stainless fittings as well. The inside of the bed is kind of rhino lined and then painted the same color as the truck. So. Back here, LED tail lamps, and right about here, you probably see it on the drive, but there's a license plate that drops down when the key is in the on position. Dual exhaust, nice full dual exhaust with Flowmaster mufflers. Sounds nice, got a nice deep tone to it. It's a really nice truck. If you've seen the video, well, you may or may not, if you've seen the video on just YouTube and you haven't seen any pictures or a write-up of the truck, I do have it advertised. Hemmings has it as well. Craigslist in Portland has it, and the Northwest Classic Auto Mall here in the Pacific Northwest has it. If you want to look at that, more pictures are available. If you like the truck, if you look at it on Hemmings, they should have all the pictures. Otherwise, you're welcome to contact me at info@westcoastcollectorcars.com or my phone number, which I'll get to you here toward the end of the video. But you'll be able to see the undercarriage. You'll be able to see, you know, more detail, at least in photos. I don't know. I think video is always a little better. Kind of give you an idea of the undercarriage. If you look right there, you can see part of the frames nicely painted there. And the gas cap, this is the gas cap, so fuel tank is under the truck now. Probably would have been behind the seat originally. Okay, the interior on this side. Again, power windows, passenger and driver on this side, just passenger on that side. Nice wood grain, steering wheel, 3-spoke, you know, horn works, tilt chrome column, and dolphin gauges here, and all of your standard, you know, volts, temperature, fuel gauge, and oil pressure. That's a tachometer in the middle, and way over there is the clock. Got an electric fuel pump. If the truck sits for a while, you can hit that. That dome light actually does work. You know, you just got to turn it on, see? Put that out to you. Does have an emergency brake. Power front disc brakes on this truck. Again, doors close nice and easy. Nice gaps, nice and flat. You know, very nice. It couldn't have possibly been that nice and new. Show you this side of the engine. This does have rack and pinion steering, but it is manual steering. Does not have air conditioning. Very nicely done. Up front here, got your turn signals down below. Nice chrome bumper, and this is kind of cool, job rated. You can see that. Nice painted grille. All your bright work and emblems and so forth are in nice condition. So what I'd like to do now is I'll hop in the truck, start it. You'll get to hear it start, hear it run, and what I'll do is I'm just going to take it up the road here a little bit. Olga will follow me, and I'll go down, turn around this little end of the road here, and come back, just to kind of give you a sense of what it looks like, you know, moving under its own power. good power in the truck. Little 318 moves it along just fine. It runs great. It's just a fun truck to drive. Very cool. But what we'll do is we'll do that right now. We'll take that little spin and we'll come back and talk for a bit more.
I love them. We love them.
Man, pretty nice little truck. I don't know what those chickens were or why they were crossing the road. I can only guess. But yeah, this is a very nicely done truck. Very clean, easy. It's comfortable, really. And actually, surprisingly, you got pretty good legroom in here for an early 50s truck. Aftermarket stereo with remote. So you got that going on. It's just a nice, clean little truck. All the gauges work, all the lights work, everything works on the truck, little clock works. But if I can answer any further questions for you about this 1952 Dodge truck, please don't hesitate to give me a call. My name again is Rich Dean, and my number is 503-851-6763, and thank you for watching today.